A is for Amaryllis flower. A, Amaryllis flower. B is for butterfly pea flower. B, butterfly pea flower. C is for Calla lily flower. C, Calla lily flower. D is for daisy flower. D, daisy flower. E is for Edelweiss flower. Edelweiss flower. F is for foxglove flower. Foxglove flower. G is for golden trumpet flower. Q, golden trumpet flower. H is for hibiscus flower. H, hibiscus flower. I is for icora flower. I, icora flower. J is for jasmine flower. J, jasmine flower. K is for kalmia flower. K, kalmia flower. L is for lotus flower. Lotus flower. M is for marigold flower. Marigold flower. N is for night jasmine flower. And night jasmine flower. O is for orchid flower. Orchid flower. P is for pandanus flower. P, pandanus flower. Q is for quinset flower. Q, quinset flower. R is for roseos flower. Roseos flower. S is for sunflower. S, sunflower. T is for tulip flower. T, tulip flower. U is for uva ursi flower. Uva ursi flower. V is for valley flower. V, valley flower. W is for wax plant flower. Wax plant flower. X is for xanthoceras flower. X, xanthoceras flower. Y is for ylang-ylang flower. Ylang-ylang flower. Z is for zinnia flower. Z, zinnia flower.